read a sign, fill in a form, write an email. These are everyday tasks, and today you learn them in English. Let's go! Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Reading and writing in English is not just for school. You do it every day, in shops, at work, and online. Let's make it simple. Section 1. Everyday reading in English. A sign gives instructions or information. Exit, no smoking. Push, pull. Open, closed. A notice, an announcement, often on a wall or door. A menu in a restaurant. A label on food, medicine, or clothing. Instructions, how to use something. Terms and conditions, the long text before you click I agree. Keywords to look for on signs and labels. Warning, caution, please note, do not, required. These words tell you what is important. Section 2. Writing an email. Email is the most common professional writing in English. Start with a greeting. Dear, formal. Hi, informal or semi-formal. Opening sentence. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to. Then give your reason. Main body, be short and clear. One idea per paragraph. Closing. Please do not hesitate to contact me. I look forward to hearing from you. Sign off, kind regards, or best wishes, plus your name. Practice. Write a short email asking about English classes. Section 3. Filling in forms. Forms are everywhere. At the doctor, the bank, the post office. Key terms, full name, your first and last name, date of birth, DDMMYYY in the UK, address, where you live, postcode or zip code, your area code, nationality, the country you are from, occupation, your job, signature, your written name. Please print clearly. Write in block capital letters. You will see these words on almost every form in English. Recap. Reading, signs, notices, labels, warnings. Emails. Dear, hi, I am writing to. Kind regards. Forms, full name, date of birth, address, occupation, signature. Your challenge, write a 2-line email in the comments. Use Dear and I am writing to. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.